If you like this video, please like and subscribe.
What's going on, guys? Mikey the Monkey here, and today the toy we're going to be checking out is... Where's my assistant Mace? Bam! It's the Adventure Force Jeep Outdoor Adventure Set. We got this thing at Walmart, and it was only like 15 bucks. It looks pretty awesome. Before we open this thing up and get this video started, I like to have a good scream to get a video going. So on the count of 3, at home, you can help me. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Oh, I almost forgot. At the end of the video, we're going to open a surprise Hot Wheels car. It ought to be pretty awesome, so stay tuned. And we're also going to do a story using this new Jeep Adventure Force playset. It's going to be really cool, so stay tuned. Alright, here's the Jeep out of the box. Let's check this thing out. It looks pretty cool. It's got some big tires on it. Here's the action figure it comes with. Show us, Mace. What's his name?
Maybe Mason.
Alright, that works. He also comes with a motorcycle helmet to protect his head. Check that out. Here's his dirt bike. Check it out. Here he goes on his new dirt bike. Look at him go. Woo! Now he's gonna try out the Jeep. Does that thing got a CD player? Yeah. What else they got? They got any cool features? Check that out. Yeah, that's the winch. You gonna winch the dirt bike? Look at that here. He really likes the Jeep. Alright, now it's story time. What was this guy's name again?
Mason.
Alright, Mason decided, hey, I want to go off-roading and drive my new dirt bike.
So Mason drove through the woods in his new Jeep, looking for the perfect place to get his new dirt bike out at and do stunts and have a good time. He drove for a very long time. And finally, he seen a place off in the distance that looked like the perfect place to get his dirt bike out. He was having a great time as he drove his dirt bike further and further into the woods. And then, he seen something. A little dog with a yellow construction hat. It scared him so bad. And then when he got back to his Jeep, the dog was there again. So he drove off and left that brand new Jeep. And it was just Rumble from Paw Patrol saying, hey, check out the new episodes we got out. The end.
Now it's time to open our surprise Hot Wheels. You want to open it up, Mace?
Sure.
Which one do we get? Check it out.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Woo!